Been seeing these pants in TikTok for a while, and I want to recreate this one.
If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe here on my channel and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok.
So I got this pants from Goodwill. It's just $3. So I'm planning to cut this from this to this.
First, you need to wear your pants and measure the length that you want to cut. Put a marking and a line above your thigh and as well below the knee.
Okay, as you see, here's the line I did. Okay, here's the other side. And for below the knee, this one. Okay, now you don't have to make it so perfect. Again, this is a tattered pants. So as you know, tattered needs to be like ripped. And you may also use a different marker if you're having a hard time seeing the pencil. Okay?
I start cutting the pants below the knee. You also need to cut over the stitch part of the jeans. As you see, half side of the pants I only cut. Now check the mark that you did above your thigh. That's your base till where you will cut the jeans. I stopped on the marked part and cut across. Just follow the pattern. And lastly, cut the last side of the pants.
So as you see, it's already cut now, the other side of the pants. So I will do the other side. I cut already both sides of the pants. So as you see, I didn't cut the other side the same length and height as the other one because I want to put a tattered accent here. Okay, so here's the outcome after I cut it. So here's the front and here's the back. Okay, here you go. I'm checking it in if I like the length that I cut and if I'm comfortable before I start doing some rip style for the tattered jeans. Okay, now if you want to stay like this, that's okay. It's your choice. There you go.
Now I'm starting to distort the pants to get an effect as a ripped jeans.
So here's the side that I did some rip tattered style. Okay, compare the other side that is not. Now I will do the other one and let's see how it goes. So here's the finished product, guys.